sklearn, metrics, pairwise, paired cosine distances. Description: calculates the cosine distance between corresponding pairs of rows in two matrices. Cosine distance is defined as 1 minus the cosine similarity. Inputs: X a 2D array of shape n samples 1. N features representing the first set of vectors. Each row corresponds to a vector. Y a 2D array of shape n samples 2. N features representing the second set of vectors. Each row corresponds to a vector. N samples 1 must be equal to n samples 2. Outputs: distances a 1D array of shape n samples 1. Containing the cosine distances between the corresponding pairs of vectors in X and Y. Steps: calculates the dot product of each pair of vectors in X and Y. Calculates the norms of each vector in X and Y. Divides the dot product by the product of the norms to obtain the cosine similarity. Subtracts the cosine similarity from 1 to get the cosine distance. Metrics: cosine similarity, a measure of similarity between two vectors, ranging from -1 to 1, with 1 indicating perfect similarity and -1 indicating perfect dissimilarity. Cosine distance, a measure of dissimilarity between two vectors, ranging from 0 to 2, with 0 indicating perfect similarity and 2 indicating perfect dissimilarity. Visualization plots: scatter plot visualizes the relationship between the cosine distances and the corresponding pairs of vectors. Fine-tune parameters: none. Uncertainty methods: none. Challenges and fixes: challenge 1, handling non-values. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 1 if either X or Y contains non-values. The calculation of cosine distance will result in non-values. Fixes to challenge 1: replace non-values with 0 or a small value before calculating the cosine distance. Challenge 2: numerical stability. Sample use case that resulted in challenge 2 if the norms of vectors are very small. The calculation of cosine distance can become numerically unstable. Fixes to challenge 2: use a small constant value to prevent division by 0.